So to begin with, I am applying dry shampoo. I always find that this style works best when your hair's not too clean, but we don't want it to look greasy. And heat protector is always a must. Now we need to tie our hair up in 4/4. Using a bobble or section clip is fine, as long as it's all out the way, ready to take your first section. So I always start at the back. If you start at the front, then when you get to the back, the front hair will be in the way that you've already done, and you won't be able to see what you're doing. And you may even ruin the look that you're creating if you have to clip any of it out of the way. Your first section should be about 1 inch square, 1 inch wide, 1 inch high. Don't be too neat with your sectioning though, because this is a textured, messy look. So as you can see, the straighteners lie horizontal on the hair. I start at the root and work my way down to the ends, and this creates a gorgeous beach wave, messy textured look, similar to a triple barrel waver. If you want the wave to look a little bit tighter, then you just need to not pull the straightener as much in between each twist while moving down the hair. Continue to do the same movement on each piece of hair, working your way around to the back of your head. It doesn't really matter if you don't get right to the root, because the hair above will sit on top. Now on the other back section, continue the same technique from the bottom to the top. Now for the front. If you take one section down, I have a section clip, so I use the pinpoint of it to draw a line across for a neat section. Your section itself should be no wider than the width of your hair straighteners as a guide. Now to continue doing the same movement that you've done throughout the back 2 sections. If you didn't want the wave to come right from the root, you could just put the straighteners in halfway down the hair and start the wave from there. If you want in volume at the root, put the straighteners in right at the root and start in your wave from the scalp. Just be careful not to burn yourself. Do another quick spray of dry shampoo and a pump of oil reflection serum, and I just comb through with my fingers just to give it that bit of shine, and raise the root using my fingers just to give it that extra root lift. For more root lift, you can always add some back combing, and then finish off your desired look with some hairspray for some hold. This is Mystify Strong Weller, or you can always use a shine spray like Glam Mist. And your look is now complete.